Hey guys, how are you doing? I just got my hands on this brand new device, Elgato 4X, which is the highest tier currently by Elgato. It captures 4K and delivers up to 4K 144 Hertz. I just unboxed this device recently, but I did not find the time to set it up. So I will show you what we got in the box. If I take out this box, we can find this device itself, and we'll find a Type C to Type C cable. This. This I don't need. This I also don't need. We found one device. Okay, this Elgato 4X, one HDMI cable with the 8K supported, and one this Type C to Type C cable, which is 3.2 with 10 Gbps. So I will now set it up on my Mac and on my Xbox. So when I'll set it up, I'll get back to you. So here finally I set up my device. Here I put my Xbox in. Here I put Type C to my laptop. And here it is the out port that coming from the LED. Yani this input, this USB for the power and for the data, and this output to get output in the TV. So now I will plug this in my computer. And after, as you can see, the device booted up. Now I will boot up my Xbox. I will wait for the display. As you can see, my display came up. You can see now what you have to do, you have to go to the Elgato website and you have to download this Elgato Studio, because the old software is obsolete now and Elgato is not supporting that. So once you have downloaded and installed the software on Windows or Mac, whatever you prefer, then after you can open this Elgato software. It will automatically capture your card. You can see here this 4KX, and after that you can click here to configure your recordings and configure your resolution, video, audio, whatever. You can configure it from here, and it will also tell you that what is the input source it is getting from Xbox, what is the source it is giving to 4K, and what is the output source it is giving to you, and the HDMI out which is getting to my TV. So this is a very easy and basic method to connect your Elgato 4X with your MacBook. If you need any other information, please comment me. I will help you. Bye.